First class fish. Bass assassin. I'll go to. Fucking whiskies. Milking that, eh? That took off, eh? Yeah. I was just trying to. Super nice fish, mate. Yup. First fish of the sesh, only small. Beautiful wrasse. Today's session is just about wrasse fishing. It's an absolutely stunning day. It's a historic day in Jersey's history, which we'll talk about a little bit later. But there's the first fish. And as you can see, it's an absolutely stunning day. Really hot, sunny. We're fishing the tide down in this particular area. Soft plastic. Zadie's fishing a green and red lure, and I'm using a weedless kind of fake minnow. I'm just dancing these lures along the bottom, nice and easy, simple tappy tap, really slow, just to see if there's any wrasse in the area. Yep. Oh. Oh yes, man. 80. Yeah, it's a nice fish. Yeah. It's giving a good little account of itself. Not seen it. I will do, yeah. I'll be alright. It's not actually that big.
Yeah, into fish straight away, eh?
Yeah. Absolutely smashed and guzzled that plastic. Me and Adi have just been pottering around, just looking for some deeper holes, and it looks like we've just found one. Nah, he's absolutely wrecked that soft plastic. Look at that. Absolutely smashed it. Might be able to get another cast out of that. We'll see. Probably not, but we'll give it a go. Me and Adi have come out today. It's a bank holiday. Just to walk around, scale, do a bit of climbing, do a bit of fishing, find some holes, because it's absolutely sunny, the water's gin clear, and it's absolutely perfect for a bit of wrasse fishing. Got a little box of goodies here, soft plastics, mostly weedless, that I'm using. That's the kind of thing. That's the kind of thing, same but different colour. Also, I like to use these small little pop-it kind of baits, 15 gram. It's a little bit blowy for that at the moment, but there are so many options for wrasse, and that's the best thing about it. Oh yes. It's a little bit of crosswind, so when I cast out, I like to just turn to the side, just reel in my slack so you can feel the rod and the line on the tip. Keep holding it, and then eventually you'll feel it and get stuck like that. Yep. Only small. Oh, mate. Oh, mate, there's not even a tail on this lure. Just cast it. Do you want one of these weedless lures? Try one. He's a yeah, skimmer stone. Small at the moment, but I was just saying I've got no tail on my lure. Oh mate, you're shit.
No.
They don't like that colour.
They love it.
They love it.
I think it's gone.
snagged. Straight back into it. Milking that, eh? That took off, eh?
Yeah.
I was just trying to get some stuff. I was just trying to get some stuff sorted, and then
Gotta love it, eh?
it's great fishing. It's the best fishing. Oh mate, he's all right. Yeah, he's nice.
How deep do you reckon? 15 foot deep, isn't it?
Huh? Mate, that's lovely. That's about 3.5. Get him in this water. Mate, that's absolutely lovely. You said that lure was going to do it. Wow, mate, he is some colour on the cam.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, there you go. Super nice fish, mate. He was hammering me on the bottom, and I was just leaving it on the bottom, and then bang. Well, so far so good. We've had plenty of fish, lots of bites. I've not actually lost one lure, touch wood, yet, which is pretty cool. Adie's had some nice wrasse, well, the nicest wrasse of the session on a much smaller lure than what I've been using. So it just goes to show that the big fish don't always take the big ones. They do take those little fish as well. But we're getting to the bottom of the tide now, and yeah, it's really shallow. And we wanted to get over this kind of gully, but it's not really worth it. So what we're going to do is we're going to shift, drive, rock and roll, get to another place about a 20-minute drive away, just for the turn of the tide and first hour or two of the push, and see if we can get into some more fish. Nice, mate. Fish on.
Cheeky wrestle.
Take your time, land, getting the fish. Yeah. It's in the weed, eh? It's quite weedy in this area. Keep that rod tip high, my boy. Is it a nice fish? It's a nice... Oh, mate, he's all right. Oh, mate, he's lovely. Yeah, are you plonker? What's your rod? Yeah, your line's wrapped around your rod tip as well. Here, let me get your bag and come up here. Oh yeah, he's lovely colour.
Oh, he's lovely.
He's lovely colour.
Where's the sun? Colour on it.
Mate, he's so nice in colour.
Yeah.
Proper green, eh? Now I can see him. Oh, what a cool colour.
Catch.
Look at the yellows underneath, eh?
That.
This is the lure that Adie's been using. It's a small decoy head and a little, I don't know what that is, little shad. What kind of shad's that, Adie? Just something from Timu. She's got an expensive face and a cheap body. Proper slag of a lure. But yeah, water's just slowed down. We're just having a little chill, and then we're going to get back into it. And that's Adie's little killer. It's caught 2 nice fish on that today. Well, it was turning out to be one of those afternoons. The fishing started really well, and it slowly deteriorated as the tide got down. Now on these tides in Jersey, they're very big, and when they drop down to under a metre, there is literally no water left until you hit the sand or the reef. And that is what happened this afternoon. So I had a little trick up my sleeve, something that I don't usually do,
but I was gonna give it a try.
Just going for a quick cheeky rooney. I've got some limpets here just before the tide changes. And I've just got them straight on a little jig head, like so. This is a Dom Sauvage special. Make sure the guts are on there. So I'm just cheating at the moment. I'm just having a little break of the lures. Good way to do that. Put a jig head on, get some limpets off the rocks, and just floating this through this gully. Getting loads of little hits. Smaller fish though. Picking it up, chewing it. You can feel the little da-da-da-da-da-da. But it's a nice little alternative when things aren't happening. Obviously you need to keep in contact with the jig head itself, because if you can't feel it, that's acting as your weight on the bottom. Yep, there you go. Whoa. Like, just like so. Hey, 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 hey. There you can see it's taking that jig head with a bit of limpet. It's only small, mind you, but who cares? It's good fun when the fishing has gone a little bit slow. Good thing about a limpet is they're sturdy little baits. And you just see now, I was just drifting that through that little area. Good little alternative.